Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am George and today I'm going to prove to you that you don't need all these kind of indicators that everybody share on YouTube. I want to prove to you that the only thing that you need to know it's about market structure, a smart money concepts, liquidity, and a big and strong mentality. Okay, this is the only four tools that you're gonna need to have success on Forex in the long term. Think with me, guys. If I have one tool, one indicator that puts you on front from the big players on this game, you really think that someone will want to share with you for free? And if share with you, for sure you need to pay a big money because this tool gonna make you rich, right? So if no tools that you want to put you on the front of the big players. If tools, yes, that can help you to you take some better decisions, but never we want to be on front of the big players. Okay, the big players are the only ones that have the power and the money to move the market in the direction that they want. Okay, so and what I want to share with you, what I want to teach you here today, is that you just need to understand how trading and how to put your setups together with the big players, with the smart money. Okay, this is the key for and the path for the success on this game. And if you understand this, you don't need an indicator. You just need to understand how the market works. Okay, how the big players think, what the big players do. Okay, they are our enemy, so we need to study our enemy, because if we understand about our enemy and our enemy, why our enemy, because they made money with our money. Okay, the other side of the screens are very professional, good traders that are making his job, and his job is get our money, liquidity. Okay, is get our money from our pocket or our balance, take our capital. You maybe it happens a lot with everybody, especially on the beginning. The market looks like it's manipulated because they take all our stop loss. This is the big players working because they will gain money with our money. Okay, they are our enemy. So and we don't have power to defeat this enemy. So we need to be side by side with them. Okay, it's what I want to teach you today on this video. Okay, come with me. Let's start our class. Let's go to what really matters. So what I bring here, I want to show you how I approach the markets. I want to show you and explain to you how I look to the charts. So the first thing that I bring you here is the simple and basic thing from market structure. We're going to talk a little bit about uptrends and downtrends. Okay, so if we divide this chart here on the middle, we clearly identify uptrend here and downtrend here. So uptrend basically is composed by high highs and low highs, high and low highs. So and this happens in all time frame charts. Okay, 1 hour, 4 hours, 30 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute, whatever. This happens in all time frame charts, but in different ways and different approach. Okay, different we need to look this, we need to make you like a trader, you need to start to make a connection between the different time frames. Okay, because if for example can be in a uptrend in 1 day time frame chart, but in the 5 minutes can be in the downtrend. Okay, you need to make this connection between the time frames. For example, uh, let's suppose that we open our day. We start our day looking to the charts. We're gonna study the chart. We're gonna look to the charts. So to make our first trade, for example, let's suppose that we're gonna start now, and our day will start more or less here. Okay. In this case, for example, we are clearly identified that we are in a uptrend. Okay, so what we're gonna do is looking for buy positions. Okay, long positions. it's what I do. I divide these into this chart. So I put by color the 1 day time frame chart. Okay, the by color, the green and red, and the on black are 15 minutes. Okay, let's suppose it's 15 minutes time frame chart. Okay, so for you understand what, so in 1 day we clearly see that it's going up. Okay, to make this high. Let's just I try to be clear enough. So okay, so our day will start. Let's suppose here. Okay, what we're gonna see on the 15 minutes time frame will be like this. Okay, and what you want to do. So let's suppose that we here we identified that we are in a uptrend. Okay, so we're gonna wait for a pullback or liquidity or one of these pullbacks here. Okay, to re-entry on a buy, the long position. Okay, when the price reach this point here or even the next one, whatever, it doesn't matter, we're gonna make our positions, our long positions over here. Okay, I don't know what kind of trader you are. I am a scalper. I like to do I like to take fast profits, not too much, like 30 minutes max. It's my max. 1 hour depends. Sometimes the the market moves slower than others, so but depends. But usually I made fast profits because I'm a scalper and I look to fast profits. Okay, but continue. Let's suppose that the 15-minute charts are like are here, for example. So are somewhere here. Okay, when we look to the chart, or somewhere on this area. So what we're gonna do is wait that the price comes near this area. Okay, because the liquidity. Okay, the price, the markets and the smart money do a lot of these. Okay, so we in the perfect chart we want that the market move like this. Okay, with perfect but usually what the market does is retest this area here where are a lot of stop losses of the retail traders, and it's here that I like to watch. Okay, this area. Okay, let's suppose that is the same area. This area here, it's where I like to watch and to wait set my positions, because the price can come can do like this and retest this area here. Okay, this area here, and give us a long tail. Okay, a long tail that is that means liquidity. The market are liquid, are getting liquidation, and is there that we start to buy when the market start to liquid fulfill all their orders here and goes up. Okay, is what I try to want to explain to you here is this fundamental. Okay, liquidity is very important in my opinion, because is where the big players get their money, and it's all. Okay, so let's suppose that they are here. I wait. Let's continue our class. I like to wait, so I have a support here. Support here, maybe a other somewhere here. Okay, let's suppose let's bring here because it's easy. So the price are here at the moment. We don't know what's going to happen on the front, so we want to wait that the price retests this area here to move for move up. Okay, this is our interest area to buy, and the people start to buy here sometimes because the price the market can be tricky and can show you that we're gonna move up, but instead move up it gives you like this. Okay, and retest this area and go go up. So we need to be patient. This is one of the key and is there that you need to make a correlation between the different time frames and looking to the charts and the way that you approach the market. Okay, the other thing, the same is the same situation for sell. Exactly what I say is exactly the market like to retest this area here. Okay, I put I did a clear and nice and perfect trends, but the market doesn't is not the usual behavior from the market. The market usually come to here. We test this area here because of liquidity, to get liquidity. Okay, and is that we need to understand. Other thing that we need to understand is a confirmation of continuation. So I don't use indicators. The only indicators that I have on my charts are about smart money concepts and liquidity, and I use it just because to help me, because they do the job for me. I don't need to look nothing on the charts because they are there automatically, but I will show in front. So, and the first concept that I want to show you about liquidity and about smart money concepts is the bulls break of structure. Okay, so on the markets, when happens a bulls or break of structure, that let's suppose that is line here. Okay, when the market does this low high and moves up and breaks this structure here, okay, is a confirmation for us that you're gonna continue moving up, continue the trend. Okay, the same here, but in different situation. Okay, change of character. The change of character can occur, can be in the two different ways. We can look for the change of character in two different ways. But basically, the change of character, it's only to advise us and tell us that the market are starting to losing the power. So in case in the uptrend, right? Because it's supposed to move up here. So we have a good support resistance here, and he come to this resistance and doesn't broke this resistance, and is losing power. Okay, the buyers are losing power, and the prices are moving start to moving down because of the sellers. Okay, and this is we call a change of character. Okay, when the market starting to losing power, because instead he moved up, he are starting to move down, and this indicate to us a reverse from the trend. So in this case, the uptrend for a downtrend. And the second confirmation that we need to get is the break of structure. But in this case, to confirm to us that the price will move down, because he broke this support here. He broke the last low. Okay, here he break the last low, and when he confirmed to us with the candles, the red candles, that he want to move down. See, let's suppose that the markets are doing this in the 15-minute chart. Okay, what we're gonna do? And here it's this support over here. Okay, or this support. Okay, and the price broke this support, retests this support over here, and goes down. It's there that I like to entry on the short positions. Okay, he's coming down. He broke the other low. Because we need to wait. Why? Because this can be liquidity. Okay, the market can come to here and goes up. Okay, the price can come here on this area, get some liquidity, and goes up. So we need to wait our confirmation, and our confirmation are only the candles. Okay, simple like that. Not the indicator is the candles. Okay, if he goes down here, he goes down on our resistance, right? Right. He goes down in our resistance. He come and retests this area here again and push down again. So it's our confirmation that the sellers are winning, and we need to make short positions, and we start to sell. Okay, and we have the confirmation about the reverse from the trend, the uptrend to downtrend. Okay, so this is what I want to try to show you on this part. So, and here I bring you some patterns for you study and for you understand. For me, are the most important patterns that we need to study. um, this is not a pattern, this is more connected with liquidity. But for example, if you find a good supply zone or a good resistance zone where the sellers like to start selling, the big players, okay, the smart money like to start selling, what's going to happen? So most of the times the price retests this area here twice, can be three, four times, five times, doesn't matter. The price retests this support, this resistance here, and when he broke the resistance, we need to see if the price want to move up or down. And how we can see that is because the price here. So if the sellers like to enter here, but we need to think in two things, okay? Liquidity, okay, in smart money. So we need to look to this like, okay, I have a support area here, a resistance area here, sorry. The price retests this area twice, and in one time the price goes up to try to take all of liquidity that are in this area and getting full. I like to say getting full like a car, you know, needs fuel to do a long distance. So he get his fuel, fulfill our orders, their orders here, and move down. Okay, but of course we need always look and for the candles, for the behavior of the market, and see because for example if it goes up, we test this area here and starting to go up, right, to give us green candles, most probably he goes up. Okay, or maybe the price can do like this, go down, retest, let's suppose here the resistance, retest here this area, and move up. So you need to analyze this and understand this. Okay, uh, this is the same. It's the same situation. Here are demand zones. Okay, where the buyers like to buy the big players. Okay, this is the same situation. The price touch on our support area and breaks our support area, take all liquidity here, the stop hunting, okay, making some stop hunting. We call it sell side liquidity. Okay, the sell side means the sellers from the big players. Okay, sell side liquidity, they made their liquidity here before they move in the direction that they want. Okay, other two patterns that I like to watch on the markets, and that happens a few times, is are the bullish flag and bearish flag. Okay, usually what we to understand about the bullish flag is the price moves up and start to consolidate a little bit here, but in the angle that he want to, like he wants to move down. Okay, is liquidity as well. Okay, is a market getting some liquidation, some consolidation, fulfill some orders, some fight between retail traders here about sell or buy. Okay, when the market fulfill all their orders, he moves in the he continues the trend. Okay, the bearish flag is the same. The market consolidates a little bit here on this area, getting some liquidation. Okay, and when he breaks, you put a line here. Or when you see this on the market, you put support, the resistance, and you're going to see this angle. And when the market broke this area here, it's when we set up our short position. Okay, here is the same. When he broke this area, we set our long position. Okay, the next and the last pattern that I want to talk is the head and shoulders. It's very important, and this one is the indicate to us change of trend. Okay, when it's coming from uptrend to downtrend. Okay, and we can see this trend over here. Okay, it's basically is this that happens. Okay, not so clear like this, of course, not so clear like this. It's like here. Okay, is this one here. So it's composing by 2 1 2 3 highs. Okay, 2 highs with the same price or almost the same price. Don't need to be the same price. One higher, okay, and 2 lows almost similar as well. Okay, resistance, support here, and happens what I explained you before, a change of character here. Okay, why this happened? Because why happens head and shoulders, hand and shoulders? Yeah, because on this support resistance here, the price doesn't broke this resistance, this strong area here doesn't broke, and the sellers are starting to move, take some action and start to sell. And when he broke the last support, okay, he starts to moving down and changing the trend. So this is one indicator that you need to observe on the future. Okay. So now on the real charts, this is a gold chart. Okay, I clearly identify here, for example, head and shoulders. So three highs, and one head. Okay, we have this resistance here and support here, and if we observe closer. So maybe not this one. This one you can see are not exactly the same, but is almost the same. Okay, we can look to this one, or this one is the same. This you can do in this together is the same. Okay, and when he broke this area here is a signal. It is 4 hour chart. So what happened in this big bearish candle are different. Okay, we're gonna see like this, and we have a lot of opportunities to get inside of this trade. And if you look as well, here, we have a bearish flag. Okay, the price comes down, does some consolidation, okay, and goes down again. Okay, this is a bearish flag. So it's why I like to use, and for me the most important, because are more easy, and that happens a lot. If we look back, let me see if I find a bullish flag to show you. Or let me see. Okay, this is a weak. This is as well a bearish flag. You see the price moving down, consolidate a bit and moving down, and here maybe, yeah, exactly, for example, a bullish flag, price are here and goes up. Okay, this happens a lot during this is 4 hours. If we change for 1 hour, maybe we get more. In 1 hour, for example, the head and shoulders, for example, are more clear, right? You see, are more clear, right? And when he broke this extractor here, you see, he comes up again. Okay, and when we come up, it's how I set my orders. The price moves down. This is 1 hour chart, so moves down, moves up here. This blue candle moves up and start to give us signs of weakness here. and move down. When he broke this line here, when he broke this line, it's where we enter here. Or you can enter here and put a stop loss over here. Was good as well because we have the confirmation of the head and shoulders. Okay, so it's a very safe trade, and you can, with this trade, if you understand these concepts, you can gain a lot of money here. Okay, let me see if I see a bullish flag to show you. Other one, a clear one. Okay, you need to start to analyze your charts like this. Okay, now I don't find one, but okay, I will not lose time with this. You understand what I try to explain to you. Let's move on. So next, what I want to told you is to talk with you is about liquidity. Okay, because this is a fundamental for me to understand how the market moves. Okay, you can put like 15 minutes, doesn't matter. Okay, for example, the market here starts to move down, get some liquidity, okay, or doing a bearish play, some liquidity, full some orders here, fulfill some orders here, and getting power to continue the trends. Okay, let me see a clear example that I want to show you about liquidity. Okay, I want to show you a good example. Minutes, 30 minutes. Let me find a nice place to show you. For example, here. For example, here. So what we have here is clearly the downtrend. Okay, the price is moving down. Okay, you are clearly in the downtrend. If we put something here, okay, we are clearly in the downtrend. And what's happening here? If you see this long tail here, the price moves up to this area, up the last resistance, to get liquidity and to get all the stop losses that are in this area, right? All the stop losses that are that area, okay? Back. All the stop losses, the people that put sells over here, okay? And he moves down quickly, moves up, okay? The people start to sell, putting their stop losses behind this area or behind this area here. The above, sorry, the people start to put their stop losses above this area or above this area because we are in the downtrend. So the retail traders start to put their stop losses on above these areas and in expecting that the price moves down. But the smart money take all these stop losses and moving down. Okay, it's this that we need to understand about liquidity. Here, the same. The people start to enter in the buys. Okay, in buys, and what the market did, take all the stop losses. Here the same. Here the same. Okay, because you don't the candle don't broke this area here, this structure here, but touch here this interest price here, okay, to take all the stop losses and come here again and here again. You know, this is a lot of stop losses that are in this area. So this sell side liquidity is trying the market get full to move. Okay, I can give you more examples like this one. Okay, this is more. For example, here we are in the uptrend here, right? We are in the uptrend. Okay, we are in the uptrend. And what's happened here? Okay, this area here. I'm talking about this area here. Okay, what's happening here? we see uh, we see the high, low high, and the market comes here to this area, retest this area again, okay, get some liquidity where the people put their stop losses above this area, come here, goes down. Why? Goes down because a lot of people, a lot of buyers, retail traders, uh, start. You need to think that is in 30 minutes, okay? So you need to stay with me to understand what I try to say. So you need to imagine that nothing of for front exists, right? So the market moves up, moves down, moves up again, and he retests, stay a little bit of consolidation here, and a lot of people here put a stop loss above this area. The market goes there twice, twice, and moves down. We test T support here, okay, T support here, and with this long tail and give and starts to going up, okay. I'm telling you this to you try to understand the market and to make better decisions, okay. You see, or for example, a good example here from liquidity is a very good example. So we are again in the uptrend. The gold is almost in the uptrend because the gold raised a lot. But you see, we have a clear port here, port zone here, sorry, port zone here. You see this? You see this? All liquidity from the people that are buying on this area and put their stop loss, you know, and the price moves again, comes down, takes some liquidity, go again a little bit higher, doesn't broke. Price show us that doesn't broke this support here. The price stays more or less here because of a gap here, this area, and goes down again. Sell side liquidity here and moves a little bit on consolidation in this area, so you need to wait. It stays in consolidation here. Okay, taking some stop losses and some retail traders here trapped and flash going up. You see, and here is again big liquidity from the markets, almost come here again. You see, almost comes to this area. The price here getting some liquidity. I'm telling you this to you mates. You start to understand and look to the market on different way and understand how I made. Honestly, I made a lot of money with this simple strategy. I don't use anything more. I just understand about liquidity and about smart money concepts. It's only thing. It's only what you need to understand. If you understand this concept, the market behavior, you will gonna win this game because we need to trade side by side with the smart money with the big players here. Okay. Brothers, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for everything. I hope that you really enjoy what I teach you here. So I have some advice for you. Please keep trading simple. Don't complicate this because it's only charts. It's only movements up and down. So you need to understand and go deeper in liquidity, in smart money concepts because the big players are the owners of this game, so we need to trade with him and no not against him. Okay, this is very important. The trends, so uptrend or downtrend, are always our friend. Try to don't trade too much when the charts are in consolidation, okay, are moving to front and not to up and down because this you probably gonna lose money. Try to find your setup and setup that you feel comfortable and use only one setup and made some adjustments on the way. Okay, uh, take notes about everything you do, your losses, your profits. Okay, take it is very important. It will help you in the future. if you thinking to make Forex for life, okay, like I did at 7 years ago. And believe me, guys, I come from nothing, okay? I was poor. I come from Portugal. My life was never easy. Now I live in Belgium, but my life was never easy. Now I'm rich. I can tell you I'm rich. Forex changed my life. Forex changed everything on my environment, but was hard to get here, okay? Now some weeks I made 100,000 euros, just 1 week, sometimes in one day. Okay, this can change your life. Okay, I have losses as well, but my average rating are in the around 88%, 86. But yeah, I think I'm doing good, and everything that I teach you here was, in my opinion, everything that you need to go deeper and to understand about the market. I'm gonna send more videos to go deeper on these concepts. Okay, if you need help, I can help you as well. I have a group in Telegram, so you have the link on the description below. You can follow me. You can join to us on our community. It's Gold Kings. It's founded by me, and you are very welcome to there. I every day send daily signals, so it's completely for free. You don't pay nothing. You just join to my channel and you will automatically receive every day my daily signals. Okay. So one more time, thank you for everything. Uh, Thank you for being watching this video with me. And if you like my content, please subscribe my channel, put a like in my video, and help me to reach other people and support me on the beginning of my journey in YouTube, because it's not my best quality. I am honest with you. I'm better with shorts, but yeah, I'm trying to help people, and this is my path. This is my journey, because I come from nothing. Okay, I can really come from nothing, and I did it. So if I did it, why you can't did it? Okay, why you are not able to do it? So always believe in you. Focus on your development. Okay, personal development, your skills, focus on change your life, and yeah, training your brain to do things that you are not comfortable to do it. Okay, learn every day, and yeah, be resilient, think on Forex in the long term and not in the short term. Study about risk management is very important as well. Be patient, because trading is about patience as well. You need don't do over trading. This is important. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. Be be humble, and yeah, you're gonna do it. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.